Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy M01 Core to an Android device. Start by accessing Play Store on both of them. Now you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then select receive on an Android and send on Samsung. Now click on all of those kind of dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take a lot of time though, so I will only select one photo, like that one. Choose send and click got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here or scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on an Android. Choose allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!